Parliament last Friday approved 5 agreements to allow the country to derive maximum value from its mineral resources and monetize its mineral income occurring to the country in a sustainable and responsible manner, in line with the Minerals Income Investment Fund Act 2018, Act 978. The CSO says until there's a full disclosure of the beneficiary ownership of the special purpose vehicle, AGYPA Mineral Royalties, the implementation of the deal should be deferred. The approval gives AGYPA Royalties Limited the legal backings to secure about $1 billion United States dollars to enable government to finance large infrastructural projects. But the chairman of the Alliance of CSOs working on extractive, anti-corruption and good governance, Dr. Steve Mantial, says the deal is opaque, lacks oversight arrangements in place, AGYPA royalties above the country's tax laws.
The opaque manner in which the Act is being implemented, the relatively weak transparency and public oversight arrangements, and the haste with which the government is running to the market in spite of concerns being raised by a broad spectrum of the Ghanaian populace, do not engender public trust and consensus building around matters of public policy as important as this one. This approach rather raises moral and governance questions. The assumption that once everything goes through Parliament, it is above board and represents the interests of all Ghanaians is deceptive and turns democracy on its head.
In general, Ghanaians will benefit because the capital raised would finance strategic capital investments such as infrastructure and also mining in collaboration with local equity participants to spur socio-economic development. This is because AGYPA, operating as an independent private sector entity, will be able to raise funds from a capital market both locally and internationally as an alternative to a conventional debt capital market transactions. The funds, which is expected to be raised from the Ghana Stock Exchange and the London Stock Exchange, will be a long-term capital without a corresponding increase in Ghana's total debt stock. Reporting for Adwa News, my name is Nanya Makolese.